Bugatti's final W16. The Caroline Commission, Art in Motion, the Bugatti W16 Mistral, the swan song for the marque's iconic W16 engine, has been reimagined in a breathtaking one-off commission named Caroline. This isn't just another hypercar. It's a rolling sculpture where technology and artistry collide, marking a definitive end to an era with a deeply personal tribute. A bespoke farewell Bugatti's sur-measure program allows clients to create uniquely tailored vehicles. But Caroline transcends customization. It's a heartfelt dedication to the owner's daughter, translating emotion into an automotive masterpiece through meticulous design and execution. The result is a hypercar that feels less like a machine and more like a wearable work of art. Floral inspiration meets haute couture. The design, refined between Bugatti's Molsheim facility and the Berlin design studio, draws inspiration from the delicate world of flowers and high fashion. Think lavender fields of Provence and Parisian gardens, where lightness and balance reign. The car's exterior is finished in a custom lavender paint, a shade developed through rigorous testing to shift dynamically with light, moving between violet and warmer tones. Contrasting the upper body is exposed violet carbon, adding visual depth and structure. The blend of materials isn't arbitrary, it's a calculated aesthetic that accentuates the Mistral's sculpted form. The wing as canvas, the rear of the Bugatti Mistral Caroline, transforms into a literal canvas. The retractable wing features a hand-painted composition of lilac and iris gradients, applied through painstaking masking. The name, Caroline, is meticulously integrated into the artwork, anchoring the project in its personal meaning. Technicians applied each layer with millimeter-level precision, creating a three-dimensional effect visible only when the air brake deploys. This detail highlights Bugatti's commitment to pushing personalization beyond mere aesthetics into the realm of functional art. A refined interior, the floral theme continues inside, where Blanc and Minuet leather, purple accents, and carbon fiber create a cohesive cabin. Floral embroidery, executed with thousands of stitches, adds depth and movement. Headrests feature mirrored compositions, while petals appear to dance across the door panels. At the center, the gear selector houses Rembrandt Bugatti's iconic dancing elephant, encased in tinted glass that echoes the car's overall palette. This integration of history and personal touch is a defining element of the Caroline Commission. Beyond personalization, a statement of intent, the Bugatti W16 Mistral Caroline demonstrates the extreme potential of bespoke automotive design. It's not simply about selecting options, but about weaving a coherent narrative where every detail serves a singular vision. This hypercar isn't just the end of the W16 story. It's a bold declaration that engineering, when combined with personal expression, can transcend the boundaries of the automobile itself. It's a work of art on wheels, and a fitting tribute to an iconic engine's legacy.